That's it! Yeah. Winton Holmes.
I didn't expect to run into no one out here.
Funny how far a man's debts will follow him. You got some money for me, boy? I seen your name in our ledger.
You're with the German? Look, I got it for you. It's just, I don't got it yet. It's up in them hills.
You panning for it?
Hunting it. I tracked this cougar. It's rare. Lily white coat. The pelt will more and cover what I owe.
If I'm skinning anything, I'm skinning you, boy.
Please, I'm out of work. It's the only way you'll get paid, and all the hard work's already done.
Fine. Move.
Well, need our horses? It's, quite a trip.
Yeah. All right, drive, boy. All right, let's get where we're going. Drive!
Okay, follow me.
Drive!
I'm driving.
Make me come out here, make me chase all over this goddamn mountain.
Hey, you knew it was a risk.
I didn't know nothing. Your name's all I knew.
Well, the German-speaking fella then, Mr. Strauss, he knew my work situation was precarious, that this whole thing was a risky venture.
Wait, risky? Am I at risk now? Are you threatening me, Winton Holmes?
I ain't. No, certainly not. Sir, I'm merely stating, a man without a job, with limited prospects, at those rates, repayment was by no means guaranteed. I said I'd do my best, and I did.
You're continuing to annoy me.
We're going right here, up the stream.
Hey, how about this then? I guarantee repayment. Because I'm gonna get that money out of you. If I gotta squeeze you like a lemon, it's coming out.
Yeah, of course. We're onto it now, okay? We're onto it now. The cash is in that cougar, mister. Sure as pumpkins ain't cauliflowers, the cash is in that cougar.
It better be, or I'll turn you into a goddamn cauliflower.
Up here, we ain't too far now. What I know about cats, this one's rare as hen's teeth. I mean, you ever seen an alabaster wildcat?
Big thing about cougars is they see you, not the other way around.
That may be, but you'd see this one. I've been hunting with my pa. Shot all kinds of cats. Never one like this. In another life, I'd have sought my fortune outdoors, not in the hot, stinking belly of a tar pit.
I ain't interested in your regrets or your life story, Mr. Holmes. Just your damn money. Drive.
This is it. Her den. We should leave the horses.
All right. All right. Show me.
You'll see her soon. Quiet now. Won't be able to miss her shining in the dark. You hear that? There's a cougar in here. And I bet she's white as virgin cotton. The tunnel diverges up here. I'll take the left, you go right, and we'll see if we don't converge down a ways. And look out for her.
Yeah. Holmes? Winton Holmes? She got him. Crap. Damn deader. Yourself. Got you, Hellcat. It's white. That'll be rare. Oh, penniless idiot. Get out of here, horse. Your man ain't coming. Get going, girl. Hey there, girl. Nice job. Easy there, girl. Yeah, there's a girl. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. You all right, girl? There. Hey, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Not a bad town you got here.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, All the best.
Bye.
Well, I've had about enough.
You okay, girl? Good work.
What's it to be?
Pleasure doing business with you. Okay, my girl.
Pleasure doing business.
You done good, girl. Yeah. Yeah, that's my girl. There, girl. There's a girl. That's a good girl. Yeah. You're good. 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 Okay. Yep. You all right? Yeah, there you go. That's it. You good, girl? Yeah. You okay? Easy there. Yeah. Good girl. Shh, girl. You done good, girl. There, girl. You all right? Yep. Good girl. Yeah, you're doing good. You're good. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. There. You all right? Yeah, you're doing good. You're good. You okay? There. Yeah. You're all right. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Real good, girl. Real good.
Who's there?
It's me, Arthur.
Good. You're back in one piece.
Easy, easy.
Hello, Arthur.
Hosea. You looking good?
Thank you.
Good to see.
Sure, Arthur.